What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is BYND. And if you're currently holding the stock, you may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video, with today's pre-market peak of that $8.86 and going as low here in today's aftermarket trading of $2.52 may have a lot of traders concerned. Is this the time to sell BYND? Stick around, we're going to talk about it, but before we do so,
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through. I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through.
and don't forget, I will be going live here Monday, 9 a.m. Central Time on October 27th. And just as a reminder, make sure you guys get over here immediately and hit that notify me button so you will get a notification once Monday's live stream starts. And if you haven't already, don't forget to give me a follow over on Twitter at OBIMEM. Again, that is OBIMEM. And before we kick things off here today, I just want to take a quick poll and see which city and state currently has the most viewers watching the channel. So with that being said, comment your city and state in the comment section below, and let's see who wins by majority. Now, if you're currently holding BYND, comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. If we can get 25 of those comments, ladies and gentlemen, I will do another BYND update here tomorrow. Now, as you all know, I did alert this stock over in our Discord server back on October 17th, last Friday, for the entry price of only 72 cents. And if we take a brief look and check out today's price action, the stock ultimately reached a high of $8.86 here in today's pre-market trading, just from our 76-cent alert entry back here on the 17th. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is join our Discord server. The sign up link is pinned in the comment section below. But not only will you get my alerts in real time, you will be able to engage and share ideas with the entire Making Easy Money trading community. And when you guys first get over here, make sure you check out the MEM testimonial section, so you will see firsthand the type of money that the Making Easy Money members are making, thanks to, again, these accurate in-house analyst alerts.
Well, damn, I wish you would have started with that point, because that's all you had to say, Woody. Woody, that's all he had to say.
Now, the combination of the retail hype and heavy short interest creates a classic squeeze setup here in BYND, with nearly 39.5 million shares sold short. Any sharp upward movement could force a short sellers to cover a massive amount of short sellers at that, guys, due to, again, the heavy shorting that the stock has recently seen here these last 5 days of trading, especially here yesterday. Now, we haven't gotten the short sale numbers in just yet, which we do around 10 p.m. Central Time each and every day, so we should be getting those any moment now. So if you're part of the Discord server, I will be updating you guys in the server on the likelihood of BYND's short cover here tomorrow. But looking at Tuesday's trading, that short sale ratio was massively high, which fueled that uptick in today's pre-market trading. Now, with this huge retracement, ladies and gentlemen, and checking out that capital trend, we do see block order and favorment here on a massive scale here in comparison to what we were seeing here in the past, but not so much here yesterday, okay, Tuesday. Now, with that being said, today's volume was extremely high, though, coming in at that 2.23 million in comparison to that high short sale day here yesterday. With that being said, I do expect to see a much higher short sale ratio here on for today's trading. And if that is the case, ladies and gentlemen, then we may actually see a short cover wave continue here into next week for BYND. Now, this retracement isn't anything to be concerned about, ladies and gentlemen. This is a healthy correction. What we're currently looking at here is the 2-hour chart. But if we go back to the 15-minute here really quickly, as you guys can see here in the aftermarket hours, we did recently break above that mid Bollinger Band, so we may actually see adequate buying pressure take place in BYND here tomorrow's pre-market trading. And if that does take place, ladies and gentlemen, then the likelihood of a short cover taking place here tomorrow is very, very high due to the high total short volume here from today's trading and yesterday, Tuesday. So with that being said, I will be giving you guys a easy money call option that you may want to consider here for next week, and that is that $5 strike with the expiration of 10/31, October 31st. And if we currently check out the quotes on that and check out our price calculator, so you guys can get a better understanding on the type of return you may see if the share price actually sees those $5 levels here by next Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen, then you will actually see a 42% increase from the underlying price. But I have a price prediction for next week on the high side of things of $9. And if that does take place, ladies and gentlemen, by the expiration date, then we will see close to 327% in gain just off this contract alone. And I just want to put this number out there, 12,300. Do any of you guys know what that represents? Well, that represents the total amount of money you would have if you would have taken my alert with an initial investment of $1,000, ladies and gentlemen. You would have turned that into $12,300 from our BYND Discord alert just 3 trading days ago, ladies and gentlemen, back on October 17th, Friday, for just 72 cents. And with that thing taking off upwards to $8.86, you do not want to miss out on the next alert. So with that being said, may the gains be with you, and see you during Monday's live stream.